Water. What I used here: 50 grams egg whites, 100 grams white sugar. Whisk together every 30 seconds until sugar is totally melted and incorporated. How to test: the mixture is smooth and no grainy texture. Whisk using electric mixer in high speed. Lastly, I added 200 grams unsalted butter. Mixing bowl should be already warm, not hot, and butter is soft but still cold. To give it a mocha flavor, I added 2 tsp of black instant coffee dissolved in 2 tsp water, better if coffee liqueur. Mix until incorporated. Add more dissolved coffee according to your taste preference.